Hi guys. So I'm gonna sing a song for you, and the song is about Miracle Worker by Frank Forrest. So qua bên Roy cái này chừng Roy about the thing Miracle Worker. Lately I feel like I've been on my own, walking the streets but I don't feel like home. Trying to fight it but I just can't seem to break through. I need some rest and I need a way out. I wish I knew what's all is about. All of these questions just lead me just straight back to you. Miracle worker, make me new. I know there's nothing you can do. I don't know who to run to. Miracle workers, I need a miracle too. Running on empty ends of my road. I never thought I'd be the one losing hope. Put on a smile when I need to be someone else. I'm broken in pieces and lonely inside, but I heard that you say the end of the cry. I know my help comes from you, 'cause I know that it's true. Ooh. Miracle workers, make me new. I know there's